Ditha Nayabbanung spoke to the media today regarding the position of the Managing Director of NHC, a position which he claimed had been heavily politicized in recent times. He had been acting Managing Director since February this year after his appointment by the National Executive Council. On October the 16th, he was served a suspension notice by Housing and Urbanization Minister John Kaupa at a time which he claims his term was still current. He subsequently challenged this decision by filing a judicial review of the decision and successfully obtaining a court order on October the 26th, staying the decision to suspend him.
I believe the minister doesn't have the power to suspend me. And the due process were not followed. So when I was suspended, I had to go to court. I went to court and court reinstated me. The court reinstated me after 16th of October that I got my suspension letter. I went 2 weeks after that, court reinstated me and I returned. When I returned, the minister, the good honorable minister, he rescinded his decision, knowing that what he had done is not right. So I accepted that.
Mr. Nayabbanung claims that on the 2nd of November, the appointment of Kenneth Cooke was gazetted and his appointment revoked, which he says is in breach of the court order of October the 26th.
The court order clearly stated that the first, second and third defendant and the agent are restrained from interfering with the plaintiff as he resumes his duty. The first and second defendant and their agents are further restrained from threatening, intimidating, harassing the plaintiff as he takes the office. Last week, I came in and I was forced out of this place. I was forced out of this place saying that, who are you? You are not supposed to be here. You are not supposed to be here. When I told them that I have the court order in place, they said that that's court. We are different.
In light of this, Mr. Nayabbanung has instituted contempt of court proceedings against Mr. Cooke, Minister Kaupa, Minister Kapavore, as well as Department of Personnel Management Secretary John Kali over the decision to make an appointment whilst his matter is still before the courts.
I have the contempt of court to be given to those agents or those who are responsible for defying the court order and getting me out of this place.
The tussle over the Managing Director's position of National Housing Corporation looks far from over, with Minister Kaupa's spokesperson also standing by the Minister's decision to suspend Mr. Nayabbanung and the appointment of Mr. Cooke.
As it is now, he's got a court order to stay in office until Tuesday. Next Tuesday. Okay, DPM's revoked his appointment on Thursday last week and appoint Kenneth Cooke. So the status now is that the Office of the Housing Corporation is in confusion. Whether the court orders takes the upper hand for him to stay in office or the gazetted notice of the appointment.
Merbatulo, National EMTV News.